Good morning, dear students. I am taking revision from first uh, first 6 chapters. That is that today I will take revision of chapter 5. Name of the chapter 5 is the wild animals. As you know that wild animals live in a natural environment, and they live in a forest or jungles. Others live in water, and they are not domesticated. You cannot keep at home. They live wild and they do not work for anybody, and food hunting is their main work. Some wild animals are big, others are small. Some big wild animals, that is the giraffe, rhinoceros, whale, tiger, lion, elephant, they are the big animals. And wild animals, fox, snake, zebra, wolf, monkey, turtle, deer. Besides these, there are a number of insects. They live wild. Fly, wasp, bees, dragonfly, butterfly, louse, bug, etc. are some of the common insects. Eating habits of wild animals. Some animals eat grasses, leaves, and plants, and they are called plant eating animals. What are the plant eating animals? According to the eating habits of animals, they divided into three categories: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous, those who are eating grasses and leaves, twigs, etc., and plants, they are called the plant eating animals or herbivores. Example: elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros, deer, they are the zebra are among them, they are the herbivorous. And carnivorous, those who are eating flesh of the other animals. Example: lion, tiger, kingfisher, snake, etc. And what is the omnivorous? Those who are eating both, as well as grass, leaves, etc., and flesh also. That is the example: crow and human beings. And some animals eat the flesh of the other animals, remains of dead animals. Thus, they help to keep the jungle clean. And such animals are called scavengers. Chacal, hyena, vulture are among such animals. And some animals eat both plants and other animals, and bear and bat are among such animals. Homes of wild animals. Most wild animals do not build their homes, they choose natural shelters like lion, bears, tigers, wolves, and foxes live in dens and caves. Elephants and deer live under the shade of big trees. Zebras hide themselves in tall grasses. Monkeys and langurs live on trees. Snakes live in holes. Birds make their nests on trees. Zebra in tall grasses, langur on a tree, snake in a hole, bird in a nest. What are the protecting animals? Wild animals are also a part of the wealth of a nation. We should protect them. All over the world, wild animals are in danger. Certain animals like the tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Asian elephant, red panda, snow leopard, great Indian bustard are very few in number now. These animals will soon disappear if we do not protect them. You know that wild animals live in a natural environment. Wild animals may be big or small. Some animals like lions and tiger live in a dens and caves. An elephant lives under the shade of a tree, and zebra hide itself in a tall grasses. We must protect wild animals. And what is the herbivorous? You know that plant eating, and carnivorous is the carnivorous animals is the flesh eating, and omnivorous is the both plants and animals. Endangered animals are those which are likely to disappear in the future. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Wild animals live in a natural environment. Second, birds build their nests. Third, elephants and giraffes are plant eating animals. Fourth, lions and tigers are flesh eating animals. Fifth, all over the world, wild animals are in danger. Right? T for true, F for false. Deer, zebra, and giraffes are domestic animals. False. Lions, tigers, and wolves live in a dens. True. Deer is a herbivore. True. Giraffe is a carnivore. False. Bear is an omnivore. True. Answer the following. What are wild animals? Give 3 examples. Wild animals, they are not domesticated and they do not work for anybody, and wild animals live in a natural environment. Example, lion, tiger, elephant, etc. Name 3 natural shelters. Answer, dens, caves and holes. Name 3 flesh eating animals. Example, answer, lion, tiger, snake. Fourth, name 3 animals that feed on the dead animals. Jackal, hyena and vulture. Name 3 animals that are in danger. Red panda, snow leopard, Indian rhinoceros. So this is all about chapter 5, and you will take revision of chapter 5, and half-yearly exam is coming, so you will take revision properly. Multiple choice questions you will take revision, and fill in the blanks you will take revision. True false also will come in exam. Answer the following will also come in exams. So what I taught you will take a revision, and every day you will take revision. What I am teaching, every day you will take revision, so it is good for you, and it is this is all about chapter 5, and you will take revision of chapter 5.